This is a customized 40 kilowatts geothermal ground source heat pump. The difference of it is the heat exchanger. Usually we use the plate heat exchanger for geothermal heat pumps, but this one chooses the titanium heat exchanger to prevent rust and corrosion. Geothermal heat pump doesn't need evaporator like the air source heat pump, but it requires two heat exchangers to work together.